Hi there, my name is Richard Evans, a middle-aged Hispanic male doctor. Let me ask you something. Have you ever slept a full 7 to 8 hours at night? Doctor, I'm sleeping enough hours, so why do I still feel like my energy is draining so fast?
And here's the important part. The cause isn't necessarily your age.
When we sleep deeply, our brain has time to clear out toxins, our skin begins rebuilding collagen, and our...
But when sleep quality is poor, cortisol, the stress hormone goes up, chronic inflammation builds up.
Distinctions. This isn't just my personal opinion. These findings are supported by research from the NIH and Harvard Medical School.
And more importantly, what can you do to improve it naturally and safely starting tonight? In this video of Caucasian...
but rarely talk about openly.
Make sure you watch until the end because I have a gift for you. My ebook, 10 Natural Sleep Tips for Adults Over 50, linked in the description and pinned comment below.
If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button so the algorithm can share it with more people. And don't forget to...
Just prefer. As an East Asian male medical professional, I look straight into the camera right now. The many patients I've worked with for 10 years.
There's one thing they often say to me, and maybe you've thought this too. Doctor, I feel extremely sleepy, but the moment I lie down...
Your body feels exhausted, your eyelids are heavy, but it's like there's a switch in your brain that refuses to turn off.
Told me he always keeps the TV on at a low volume in his bedroom because he's afraid of silence. But I get a restless feeling in my legs when I lie down.
Yeah.
It's not severe pain.
Noting this.
When the brain doesn't get enough oxygen, sleep becomes much lighter than you might think. I also often ask my
Patients this. During the day, do you regularly talk to people, connect with others? Many are surprised to learn that
affects melatonin production at night. There are even very subtle signs, like not sensing smells or flavors as clearly as before.
whispering that your sleep is slowly weakening. I'm not sharing this to make you anxious. I'm sharing it so you...
When it comes to sleep after 40, I always remind my patients of this. You don't need complicated solutions. Sometimes
I thought my insomnia was just part of getting older until my doctor asked me to try changing a few simple things.
For example, before bed, I often suggest creating a familiar signal for the brain, a gentle cue that it's time to rest.
Science shows that our sense of smell is directly connected to the emotional centers of the brain.
Just gently flex and extend your ankles for me. Nice and slow, just like that. Keep breathing.
That small movement improves circulation and sends a relax signal to the brain.
That's it?
Sometimes that really is enough.
That's it. Breathe slowly through the nose, deep and steady. We're aiming for about 4 to 6 breaths per minute to help you relax.
In the evening, lighting inside your home matters too. Warm, yellow light helps the brain recognize
not to be perfect, but to help the brain stop worrying. These aren't folk remedies or internet tricks.
Are methods recommended by respected medical organizations here in the United States. And now I want to ask you, tonight, which one will you start with? I want you to pause for a moment and really listen to your body. Over many years of a female East Asian...
Doctor, poor sleep is just a normal part of getting older.
Well, that's not necessarily true.
Poor sleep is not something we're required to accept as we age, and that's what I truly want you to understand today. I remember
I felt like I was slowly declining. My memory wasn't as sharp, my skin looked dull, and my energy was low.
We'll start with the CPAP, just a few hours a night.
Look at me now. I'm sleeping through the whole night and feeling wonderful.
I never imagined that simply sleeping better could make me feel like I gained a few years back.
Can you imagine that feeling? From a scientific perspective, when we sleep deeply, the brain has time to cleanse itself.
Age doesn't turn this system off.
It simply means we need to care for our sleep more intentionally. The real issue.
I often ask my patients this: if every night is an opportunity for the body to heal itself, why would we ignore it?
You don't need to change everything at once. With the right adjustments, done gently and consistently, a Caucasian.
And my hope is that after this video, you'll begin to see your sleep differently, dear guys, with more respect and with more intention.
Before we end today's video, I want to take a few seconds to speak to you the same way I speak to my patients in the clinic.
I just want to feel healthy again, but I don't know where to start. Maybe you've had that thought too.
I've always believed that health doesn't come from one big change made in a single day.
It comes from small choices, repeated consistently, every day.
When you take the time to understand your sleep, to learn about healthy aging, you're giving your body a real chance to recover.
Science shows us that the brain and the heart are remarkably adaptable as long as we create the right conditions. And that's exactly why I created this channel.
Podcast Father. I want you to picture waking up one morning with a clearer mind, a less tired body, and the feeling.
If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button to support health education content like this so YouTube can share it with more people.
If you'd like to continue this journey with me, make sure to subscribe for more videos on better sleep and healthy aging. Finally, I have a small gift for you.
My free ebook, 10 Secrets to a Stronger Heart Every Day, is waiting for you in the description and the pinned comment below.
Download it, take your time reading it, and start caring for your heart starting today. I'm truly glad to be walking this